Greetings. I would say from sunny Florida. However, today it is not sunny here in Florida. As most of you know, it is hurricane season and we are catching the brunt of it this year. So the reason I'm sharing this with you today is we're running around getting prepared. Just went to the gym, of course, get those workouts in. But I'm also making some easy energy balls or energy bars. Just so that we have some things like that that are quick on hand in the event we do lose power and what have you. We have these nice healthy snacks. So with this today, this is going to be a date and cashew bar, and this is like the nice base. You can get really super creative with these types of energy bars. Your base is always going to be 1 cup of dates. So this is medjool dates that I have pitted. They are organic. There's about 12 to 13 dates in here for that 1 cup. And then these are raw cashews. But so your base will be a cup of dates and then a cup of raw nuts or seeds, whatever your choice is. You can mix match in all different types of ways. You can make this with like a pumpkin spice. You can use cranberries, raisins, figs, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. You know, it's limitless what you can do with these. So today I'm choosing to make this. Oftentimes, so when you get your dates, if they have been in the fridge for a long time or they're seeming really dry, what you do is you just soak them in a little hot water for a little bit and then drain all the water off, and that will rehydrate the dates a bit. I did not do that today. And I did not soak my nuts. I'm in a rush today trying to get things done. Normally when I work with raw nuts and seeds, I will soak those and strain them, get any impurities off. But in haste of getting ready for this upcoming hurricane, we're just going to get busy and get some things done. This is a really, really good recipe. My favorite nut is pecans. And when you do these with pecans and do a little vanilla and cinnamon, oh my gosh, it tastes just like pecan pie bites. But I do not have any pecans today, so I chose to use what we have. We're just going to use what we have in here. Now, I normally will grind the dates first and then add the nuts, because if you dump it all in there at once, you're going to get like an uneven mixture of the nuts and it makes it hard to form them up. So we're just going to give this a nice chop. This is a new Ninja. It has this setting now where it blends and stops, blends and stops. We're going to put this on high. Let's see what we have going on here. Wow, okay. They have already formed nice little balls here. So we're going to go ahead and put in our cashews. I'm choosing to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract here. Now, depending on how this goes, I'm actually going to also put just a small little dash of salt. These are raw, natural nuts in here. And let's see how this blends. I may need to, since I didn't soak the dates, I may require putting a little water in here. Or I could also do like a date syrup or a maple syrup, your choice of a sweetener along those lines. Let's do a little check here. All right. I'll show you the consistency here. This is a pretty, like a nice coarse chop to it. You can see this. So now, like I was telling you, you can make these, form these into balls, or you can just make them out flat as little bars. So it's really your choice and how much time you want to spend, or what consistency that you would like to have there. So that's enough for this. I like to have like the little coarse chop. And with these, I'm not going to invest the time in rolling them out. I want to make these in the bar form because I am going to put a little chocolate. So I took some 100% cacao, or this one was actually in the form of a bar already, so it was 100% chocolate. And I melted it with some coconut oil. This helps when you're flattening these out. Put a little water on your hands. That can help here. So yeah, like I was saying, you get super creative with these things. You can even make versions that have a protein powder in there. What you would do in that case is you would add a couple of tablespoons of your preferred protein powder. You can even make these energy little bars with flax without the dates, so you can make it like a low carb bar. But for the purpose of these today, I want these to be energy bites. I want these calories. Now, like I was telling you, I'm just using up what I have in the fridge. Really, with this, what would have been more ideal is to do a double batch of this, but that's okay. This is going to work. So what I'm going to do now, and I'll move this over so I can show you guys. I'm just going to take my nice little chocolate mixture and just start running it back and forth. And this, we'll pop this in the fridge and let it get nice and hard. I'm going to put just a little salt. Let's just go ahead and use all the chocolate. More chocolate the better, right? That's my opinion. All right. All right. We'll just pop a little salt on the top and we will put these in the fridge. And I will be back with the finished product. Okay, we are back. So it's been a few hours in the refrigerator. So excited to get into this. But I also wanted to go into why dates. I think that they are a superfood. I really do consider them to be that. They have selenium, copper, magnesium, potassium. They have B complex, vitamin C. This is definitely something that I included when I lost the 110 pounds and have maintained keeping that weight off. I definitely enjoyed dates. And also, if you watch some of my other videos, you know that I am coming back out of the keto carnivore space and back into more of a detox type lifestyle. So I am absolutely 100% going to be enjoying these again. So, as I mentioned to you before, you may want to make a double batch if you're going to make these in, like, you know, the bar form like this. And we're just going to go here and give it a nice chop. Look at that. So good. Hope you enjoy.